Tino Rangatiratanga, the national Māori flag.
I think the reasoning behind why the flag was made and the true purpose was to unify Māori. Instead of flying something that had the Union Jack on, we wanted to have something that was uniquely ours.
The haki was designed in 1989 by Hiraina Marsden, Jan Dobson and Linda Munn, all members of Te Kawariki.
Te Kawariki came up with an idea of running a flag competition that would inspire, and maybe all the hapu iwi could come together and design one. We wanted to have this flag ready by 1990 for the 150-year commemoration at Waitangi. The first lot of drawings probably came out on a serviette at the marae by Hiraina, who came up with this idea. Jan, who always forever had these great ideas, decided we were going to sew them, so it was her and I. So all the components were cut out and sewn together, and everybody kind of had a part in it.
In 2009, the government recognised the haki as the national Māori flag. The following year, it flew over a number of significant national landmarks.
We had no idea the impact of what this haki would have on not just our generation, but the generation of our mokopuna.
Tino Rangatiratanga, proud to be Māori.